have with us Ms. Mona Gulatipuri, Head CRC at United Group of Institutions. What benefits will the 12th class student get from Fellowship, Engineering Watch Fellowship program?
First of all, I would like to congratulate this type of event or this event headed by the Engineering Watch under the banner of Fellowship program. It has created a very good platform for the engineering aspirants, class 12th level students, in which the students, they don't have any focus, they don't have any path, and you people have tried to show them a path and bring them closer to the campus, in which the students only visualize it or imagine it through, but this type of a thing, it benefits them. Their talent is polished, vigorous exercise of online exams and the interview sessions. They prepare the students to what actually engineering is, and they have a focus. Otherwise, still yet they know that they are going to do engineering, or they know that okay, they will be looking forward for an engineering profession. But how come this is just a facilitation kind of a thing, where the students are there and the mentors are there from the campus, from the department, education field to help them. I think so this is a real good gesture and a good platform for the students.
What is the reason behind the contribution of United Group of Institutions in Engineering Watch Fellowship?
United banner is quite old, and as the tagline goes, it's nurturing tomorrow and trying to give a quality education in the field, no matter it's engineering or we have a management studies also, but we believe in delivering quality education. And this uniqueness of fellowship program is just trying to rule out all the middlemen and the market trend in which the students are confused. And in this, we want to portray or present the students with that platform in which they can interact with our faculty members, they can see the infrastructure, they can visit the labs and all, so that they can have a feel of it, okay, what actually engineering is. And when we are trying to provide quality education, we can look up to that potential students with this type of an association with Engineering Watch and under this banner. I think so we can create a quality message among the class 12th aspirants, so that they also know what engineering colleges are and how they can get real good quality education, higher education, we'll say that.
कट करो मैम, लास्ट में बस आपको इतना इनवाइट करना है 1 जून के लिए बच्चों को।
1 जून को कि 1 मई को, पहले ये बताओ।
नहीं, 1 जून।
And in this bridging up the gap or trying to give a platform, what you people are doing, meeting the 12th aspirants, going to head on to their regular interviews and online tests. So I would like to just share this and invite all the students participating in this fellowship program to be present for the National Grand Gala event on 1st June, what we are heading to, and keep in touch with this fellowship program so that we can update you on all the programs, whatever we are doing in the engineering field and the aspirants should be aware of. So looking forward to see you all on the 1st June. Thank you.